Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be talking about a grooming tool that's essential for men with beards, the beard shaping comb. This comb is specially designed to help shape and style your beard, and it's becoming increasingly popular among men who want to keep their facial hair looking neat and tidy. So, in this video, we'll be discussing the pros and cons of using a beard shaping comb, and whether or not it's worth adding to your grooming routine. A beard shaping comb is a grooming tool that's designed to help you shape and style your beard. It's usually made of high-quality materials like stainless steel or sandalwood, and it has a unique shape that allows you to trim and shape your beard with precision. The comb typically has two sides, one with wide teeth for detangling and straightening, and another with narrow teeth for shaping and defining. Some beard shaping combs also come with a built-in ruler or protractor to help you achieve the perfect angle for your beard. The beard shaping comb has several advantages. First, it's a versatile tool that can be used on any type of beard, whether it's long, short, thick, or thin. Second, it's easy to use and doesn't require any special skills or techniques. Third, it's a cost-effective alternative to expensive beard shaping tools like clippers or trimmers. Using a beard shaping comb can help you achieve a more professional and polished look, which is especially important if you work in a professional setting. Finally, a thoughtful gift for every gentleman, whether you know someone who is a barber or training in cosmetology school, or someone who cuts and grooms his own hair or goatee. This beard shaping comb is a helpful accessory that will be greatly appreciated. It makes for a great congratulatory gift or business gift. While the beard shaping comb has many advantages, there are also a few disadvantages to consider. First, it may take some time to get used to using the comb and achieving the desired results. Second, if you have a very thick or unruly beard, a beard shaping comb may not be effective enough on its own and you may need to supplement it with other grooming tools. Third, the comb may not be suitable for men with sensitive skin or skin conditions, as it may cause irritation or discomfort. Here are a few testimonials from real users of beard shaping combs. Mark: I never knew how much of a difference a beard shaping comb could make until I tried one. It's so easy to use, and it helps me achieve the perfect shape and angle every time. I would definitely recommend this to any guy who wants to keep their beard looking sharp. David: I was skeptical about using a beard shaping comb at first, but I'm so glad I gave it a try. It's made a huge difference in how my beard looks and feels. It's so much easier to maintain, and it looks much neater and more polished. I wish I had started using a beard shaping comb sooner. Tyler: as someone with a pretty thick and unruly beard, I was a little skeptical that a beard shaping comb would be effective for me. But I was pleasantly surprised. It really does help me tame my beard and get it looking the way I want it to. I still use other grooming tools too, but the beard shaping comb is a key part of my routine now. Overall, the beard shaping comb is a useful and cost-effective grooming tool that can help men achieve a professional and polished look. It's versatile, easy to use, and suitable for any type of beard. However, it may not be suitable for everyone, particularly men with very thick or unruly beards or sensitive skin. If you're interested in trying a beard shaping comb, be sure to do your research and choose a high-quality comb that's suitable for your needs. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more grooming tips and tricks. If you have any questions or comments about beard shaping combs, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. We'll see you in the next video.